Hey guys, Capper here. Today we're going to get the excavator and we're going to do some work on a 5-acre parcel. First gig for this parcel is I'm going to turn this into this. So join me in the cab, we'll get some fresh air. A successful day building a campsite and a runoff ditch and grading and whatnot, and I'm rambling, so let's get after it. Thanks. So that water cut right now runs right through this spot. So here's the before look, and I'm going to show you. Yesterday I did the runoff ditch to our right here, over there. It's all done, and today I want to make two campsites. I need a level one right here where their fire pit is, and then we're going to make a long back in straight into the woods here so they could back in another fifth wheel trailer. And of course, guess who got me into this one? We say Curtis.
Gotcha. What am I getting you into again?
Well, exactly. Huh? What are you getting me into today?
I always got something for you, don't I?
This will be another interesting one, I'm sure.
Exactly. Just wait.
Okay, since I'm cutting today's project into two different halves, I'm starting to grade right now. So the ditch is running along the left side. We're going to finish that ditch right now in the video, and then stay tuned for the next episode, because I have a ton of dirt work and ton of grading to do to make. I hate having to pull any more trees than I have to. If you were like in a city area, you'd just probably pay to have fill hauled in. We're out in the middle of nowhere, and it's not worth the extra money, so that's why I'm scabbing it. I'll scab some from the hillside here, and they know they're going to have a cut up here, so I'm scabbing dirt from here, and I'm scabbing it from the lower area, and then whatever I got for level, then I'm going to make, you know, a nice camper and a fifth wheel pad. But when these trees are right in the center like that, even if you kept the tree and you piled dirt at the base of it, you're going to kill it. So that's kind of why they got to go. More so they can cut them up for firewood. I give this couple a lot of credit. They're doing everything by hand. They got a little camper, like a van, a camper van, and all the work they're working on this property, that's all by hand with hand tools and stuff. So I give them a lot of credit for that. Back up the hill. Pretty steep drop off. There's a look where I'm at right now. Alright, now I'm going to start pulling dirt from the side and the rear of this fifth wheel future pad. So I'm going to need a lot of fill to even get it kind of close to level. Here is where I'm going to tie into that new drive up there. Alright, I'll keep cutting. Alright, this just might work. Now that I'm seeing how much I'm pulling from up the top side. Alright, here's a midstream look. It's time to start grading. I'm going to work this all in together. Trying to get it level basically from about here all the way back. Try and get this pretty darn level. Definitely enough to, you know, set up the campers. Alright, I'm just trying to push some fill up to the top there. And then we're going to come back and grade everything downhill. Probably need to cut just a little more right there, but I'll do that here on my next pass. after look from the road. I did do one after look already, and then when I walked it again, I didn't like the pitch on it, so I went back at it one more time. So what I did on this last time is level this and the camper deck. You can kind of see there are two tiers now. I knew this wasn't quite level enough, so now it's real close. I mean, if they need it a little better, I could bring the laser and finish it, but for a camping site, I think this is going to be golden. So I don't know if you guys could see it here, but it drops down and then it flattens out where the camper is going to sit back here, the fifth wheel. So here I'm standing below the first camper pad, and you can see that it's obviously much more level than everything around it. Still might have a tiny pitch to it. And then there's the camper pad here. It drops down from here to these two trees. It drops down and then it levels off in the back here. So that's it for me for today. I mean, it's still not quite level on this top camper site, but I'm afraid if I cut too much down, then we're gonna have some water issues up there. So I'll have them come check it out, see how they like it, and if need be I could trim it just a little bit more. But it's so deceiving when everything is hills, you know, finding a good level. Definitely bring the laser next time. So hope to see you on the next one. There's the ditch all the way down, rerouted. That ditch used to come right here where we're standing. So now it's way out of the way, and this will all be high and dry from now on. Everything between that ditch and here.